Hey everyone, I'm ExitSign250. Welcome to Door Closers Episode 2. Got a brand new door closer here, and I did some updates with some of the other ones I have, so let's get started. So we are in the basement of my house. Some of you longtime fans may recognize it, especially if you watched my older door closer videos, you may recognize it too. I originally had a Universal Hardware residential door closer down here. I completely destroyed that thing. That's another story. But it was originally installed on the door that was original to the basement here, and that door was an interior grade hollow wooden door, and that's not what you put on an exterior door, and that's what this is. It's an exterior door. It opens to the outside, and that door got disintegrated over the years. It just did not last to the elements. It was poorly chosen. I don't know who said let's put a interior door outside, but anyway, so around a year ago, we got this door replaced. This is an exterior grade door. Got new hardware for it as well. So it's really nice. It looks good, and it should last. So now I have a new door closer down here. This is a Norton 1600H hold open door closer, and I'm actually in the process of converting this basement to a little workshop of mine, and having some other stuff going on right now actually. But I wanted a door closer down here just for the fact because, I like door closers. I think it'd be cool, but for a few other reasons too, which I'll talk about. So for one, I wanted a hold open door closer because sometimes I like the door open, and this is also a basement too, so we sometimes move stuff in and out, and it's nice to have the door stay open, not keep closing when you're trying to move stuff out. And I wanted a door closer that was hold open. I didn't want to have a door stop or one of those wedges you put under the door. I just kind of wanted the door closer itself to do it. So you can see the shoe on it is actually a special shoe that keeps the door open. It's a hold open shoe, and it's actually a friction hold open shoe, which I'll talk about more as well. And something else which this door closer does, which is an added bonus that I wanted, is this door opens 180. However, the workbench right here is in the way, so this door would hit the workbench, and I didn't really want to mess up the door, potentially putting a hole in it, scratch it, dent it, whatever. I could put a door stop, but there's not a lot of room for the door stop to function, so this door closer kind of helps as a door stop-ish in a way too. So I have the closer body mounted around, I believe, 6 inches from the hinge, so it limits how far the door can open, and I believe it can only open around maybe 120 degrees. I can't really remember. So that's an added benefit too. I won't mess up my workbench or the door. So we'll go ahead and, one last thing before I cycle it. This is a universal door closer, so you can install it in any mount possible. So parallel, regular arm like this, or top jam. And it also has spring tension adjustment or power adjustment, sweep latch, and back check. Go ahead and give the door a cycle. I have back check starting right here, and it cushions the door all the way till fully open. And we'll let it cycle. Pretty good speed, I think. Demonstrate that again. Good latch as well, I think. So yeah, and I'll also show you it doesn't hit the workbench. So this is fully open. And you can see we got maybe around 6.5 inches before it hits the bench, which is nice. So with the hold open, this has a special hold open shoe. It's a friction hold open shoe, so you can adjust this nut right here to whatever angle you want, and the door will stay open when you open it to that range. So I'll demonstrate that. So we'll open it. Again, back check's right here. And when you open it almost all the way and you kind of push on it a little bit, you can see the door stays open with the help of this shoe. So there it is, completely open. And when you want to close it, you kind of just pull on it a little bit, which disengages that, and it will close. So I'll show you that one more time. So opening it up all the way, stays open, and then we'll pull on it, and it will close. So there you go. Pretty cool. I like this closer, especially since it's brand new. And the spring power or power adjustment, I have it on one of the lowest settings because I didn't want this door too heavy, but I think it's just enough to control the door. So yeah, awesome. I like it. I like not having to fiddle with a wedge or a door stop. I can just open it up all the way, keep it open. So yeah, Well, there you go. That's the Norton 1600H door closer down here. And let's move on to some other closers. Now for the door closer on my bedroom door, we have the same Norton closer. Really nothing's different. However, I had to do a seasonal adjust as since it's getting a little cooler where I am because the season is changing. It wasn't latching all the way, so I had to speed that up. Still, it doesn't do a nice latch, but as you know, this closer is a little bit weaker, as I've said in my last episode of door closers. But other than that, everything's the same sweep, same back check, starting here, cushioning the door till fully open. So, and of course the same magnetic hold open / door stop on the door, still working fine. And yeah, so that's it for this Norton. Okay, so this door right here, still we have the same TEL residential door closer, and I haven't really messed with it, but I do need to do again a seasonal adjust because you'll see when it closes it does not latch fully. You can see. So I'm gonna pop off the cover and we're gonna adjust it to go a little bit faster. Okay, that wasn't enough. Okay, that seemed like that was it. Okay, I think that'll be good. So we'll put the cover back on and do one last cycle. And there we go. Lastly, for my closet door, the Ultra residential door closer with internal hold open. Nothing's changed with it. It's still the same. Still have it. The door stop, as you know, because it doesn't open all the way, I can't use the internal hold open. So, same door stop and same door closer, really. But yeah, closing fine. Little squeaky. I might need to grease up the hinges, and I know this part of the closer is very squeaky, so might have to change that. But other than that, it's fine. So yeah. That's going to do it for this door closer episode. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next one.